Hello everyone, and today I'll show how to turn your glow lights on and off on your Nothing Phone 2a. So let's go to settings. Here they are. You gotta find your Glyph interface here. So as we see the switch, Glyph light. So to turn it on, simply leave it as it is. To turn it off, tap on the switch. When it will stop glowing, the minute it's off. So also here you can set a ringtone. You can adjust the brightness of the light, right? Let me show it to you. So just like this. There's also a really cool feature called Flip to Glyph. It's like here. So for quiet, focus, and all these regimes without a sound, the Glyph won't work. However, if you want your Glyph to work on it, so simply use a Flip to Glyph. And now you won't have sound, but we will have your Glyphs. So it's a really cool feature. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.